Welcome back. Goans with Portuguese passports will not be allowed to vote during next assembly election. Election Commission has already deleted 1,855 names from the electoral roll since 2008. Shockingly, Portuguese consulate in Goa has not furnished details of Goans with Portuguese passport to the Election Commission.
Have a look at these figures. In 2008, 312 Goan names got deleted from the electoral roll as they were holding Portuguese passports. In 2009, 432 names got deleted. In 2010, 807 names were dropped, and in 2011 till March, 304 names have been eliminated from the electoral roll.
आणि जेन्ना तो पोर्चुगीज पासपोर्ट घेता तेन्ना तो पोर्चुगीज नागरीक जाता आणि जेन्ना नागरिकत्व चेंज केलें जाल्यार ताका हांगासरले वोटींग रायट्स मेळना.
Some violations by Portuguese passport holders have made this issue more serious. In 2008, a Majorda Punch member was disqualified as she was holding a Portuguese passport. Usually, Election Commission of India receives list of Portuguese passport holders from police department, but Portuguese consulate has refrained from furnishing these details to the Indian government from past 2 years.
आमी 2008 2009 पोर्चुगीज कॉन्सुलेटाक बरयल्लें पूण आज पर्यंत तांचे कडल्यान आमकां रिप्लाय कसलीच येवना. ना आमी तांकां सांगिल्लें की जे कोण पोर्चुगीज सिटीजनशीप घेतात जांकां पोर्चुगीज सिटीजनशीप पासपोर्ट तुमी दितात त्या मनशाची डिटेल्स आमकां धाडात म्हणजे ते दुसरे देशाचे जेन्ना नागरिकत्व घेतात तेन्ना तांचें नांव हांगासून डिलीट करपाक जाय म्हणून.
Director of NRI Affairs, U.D. Kamath, said that Portuguese passport holders must possess overseas citizenship of India, which is a lifelong visa. But even after having the citizenship, they cannot have voting right. They cannot apply for government jobs and buy agricultural property.
पण ही फॅसिलिटी गोंयकार पोर्तुगेज पासपोर्ट घेवन वोटींग रायट मेळूंक शकना आनी जर ते करीत जाल्यार तो कायद्यान गुन्हो कळ्ळें न्ही आनी हें जर सापडत जाल्यार तो त्रासान पडूंक शकता कित्याक हांगा पुलीस तांकां इमिजिएटली तांचेर एक्शन घेवंक शकता.
The deletion of 1,855 names from electoral roll has revealed that growing numbers of Goans are applying for Portuguese citizenship. Our senior reporter from Panji, Rakesh Kanolkar, with video journalist Anil Sanadi.
Congress Party's student organization NSUI has supported Anna Hazare's movement when the parent body is locking horns with the anti-corruption crusader. NSUI feels that Anna's movement is constructive and any anti-corruption movement should be wholeheartedly supported. NSUI will commence its mega membership drive from this year.
Congress and Team Anna are at loggerheads on the issue of Jan Lokpal bill, but a frontal organization of the same Congress party has now come out in support of Anna.
See, as our sir has said, Anna Hazare, anybody who is fighting against corruption, NSUI will always be with it, because NSUI always takes a clear stand against corruption. And about Anna Hazare, personally I cannot comment because I am a small person compared to what he is. I cannot comment on him, but if it's a good cause, if the cause is good, we are always for it. Definitely, I have always said, if the cause is good, we are always for it. It is not like somebody doing some bun and we will go and stop it. If people are doing something voluntarily, we don't have any issue. It is something good, everybody should be there.
The students' wing of the Congress is now gearing up for a massive membership drive in this election year.
और अभी सुनील का भी 2 साल का टेन्योर कंप्लीट हुआ है क्योंकि जो हमारा एनएसयूआई यूनिट है इलेक्टेड उसका टेन्योर 2 साल का है, तो अभी गोवा एनएसयूआई यूनिट का भी 2 ईयर का टेन्योर कंप्लीट हो रहा है. तो उस प्रोसेस को आगे बढ़ाते हुए अभी हम मेंबरशिप ओपन मेंबरशिप लॉन्च कर रहे हैं गोवा में. www.nsui.in से कोई भी स्टूडेंट जो मेंबर बनना चाहता है वो एनएसयूआई का फॉर्म डाउनलोड करके मेंबर बन सकता है.
Sources say that state NSUI elections will be held in the first quarter of next year before the assembly elections. Our reporter from Panji, Lokik Shilkar, with video journalist Devendra Gaonkar.
A team of the CBI has left for Peru to bring back notorious drug dealer Atala. Atala is the main link and one of the main witnesses in the famous police-politician drug nexus case. 7 policemen are already suspended for their alleged role in drug nexus.
Deputy Inspector General of the CBI, Praveen Sarunke, said that team of senior officers has left for Peru to deport Atala. The team is expected to be back by 22nd or 23rd August. All necessary clearances are obtained to get Atala back in India. Yaniv Benaim alias Atala had jumped bail in August last year and was arrested by Peruvian police in January 2011. Atala is an important link in the drug nexus case. The case was handed over to the Central Bureau of Investigation after intense pressure from opposition and some political and non-political organization. Sources in the CBI said that Lucky Farmhouse, who exposed the video on YouTube, will also be interrogated soon. Sources said that she has responded to the summons and has shown willingness to come down to Goa and record her statement. A reporter from Panji,
News from
Basuri
sports
Desai.
after a short break. Stay tuned.